Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this little guy. This is a Sonic electric toothbrush from a company called Ducard, and this is an excellent electric Sonic toothbrush and a way to sort of up your game when it comes to keeping your teeth clean. Now, the features of this thing are great. It has a battery, a rechargeable battery, and it comes with a cord. You plug it in here. The other side is to USB, so you can plug it into any USB charger and charge this guy up. Once you get it charged up, you're going to get up to about 60 days of use, depending on how you use it. But we're just going to assume that if you use it a ton and you only got 30 days, that would still be amazing, because even the leading brand of rechargeable toothbrushes, like the one that I had before this, I had to charge like once every week or two. And this goes like up to 60 days without recharging it, which is great. Really awesome battery power. It does have a lot of the high-end features, like it has a built-in 2-minute timer. It has 30-second buzz. So when you're using this, every 30 seconds, it kind of pauses to let you know it's been 30 seconds. So that you can make sure you're brushing, all quadrants of your teeth appropriately. And then after 2 minutes, it turns off. Now, of course, if you want to brush a little longer, you can, but most dentists recommend 2 minutes is about the perfect amount, sometimes 2 to 3, but 2 is like the recommended minimum amount you should brush your teeth for 2 minutes, and this has a built-in timer. It also has different modes. You can use the basic, as far as intensity, it's got 3 levels, 3 different levels. At the most, this is going to get you 40,000 vibrations per second. It's really, really fast, Sonic. And then it has 3 different modes. You got your, or 4 different modes. You got your standard clean mode. You've got a massage mode, which is for massaging your gums. You've got white, which is to help whiten your teeth. And then you've got sensitive for people with sensitive teeth. Now, one thing that's cool about this brush, besides the fact that you get that long battery life, is it comes with 9 brush heads. 9 brush heads. And if you've ever owned one of the name brand electric toothbrushes, you know just the brush heads alone are super expensive. This is a very inexpensive, affordable electric toothbrush that comes with 9 brush heads. Now, they say that most dentists recommend you change the brush head about once every 3 months. Of course, that's going to vary from person to person how you use it. But if you did that with 9 brush heads, you're getting like 2 years worth of brush heads along with the toothbrush, which is really awesome. Very easy to change out the brush heads. You simply twist it on the back here. They have a little indicator. You just twist to the unlock, and then you pull it off. And then to put the new brush head on, you just put it on there, and then twist it to the lock position, and then you're good to go. This does also have a locking mechanism so that you can lock this toothbrush so that it couldn't accidentally be turned on if you're traveling. So that's kind of cool. The brush heads do have a little cap over the brush over the brush heads to protect them, which is great. And this is very lightweight. I'm so impressed with the battery that it has in here, how lightweight it is. Very lightweight, easy to hold. A nice kind of octagonal, it's more than an octagon, but it's like multifaceted flat sides as opposed to being completely smooth and round. Sometimes those are kind of slippery in your hand, but this has lots of edges, so it makes it really easy to grip and to use. The brush heads themselves are made of really high quality material, and they're your more of a soft brush head, so you don't have to worry about them being too harsh on your teeth. Now, they don't have different types of brush heads. They are all standard brush heads. Very similar to the Diamond Clean brush head, I think, on a lot of the Sonicare toothbrushes. But very high quality, but inexpensive toothbrush. I mean, basically for the price of just 4 or 5 regular toothbrushes, you could get this guy. And it comes with 9 toothbrush heads, so you're covered for a very long time. I've enjoyed using it. It's very effective. Definitely going to give you much cleaner teeth than if you just use a standard toothbrush. Because with the way this vibrates and how much vibration it's getting those bristles in there and helping to get your teeth really super clean compared to just using a regular toothbrush and just hand brushing. This gets you much more benefits and really excellent. I mean, having the 9 brush heads, having the up to 60 days per charge, which is is amazing. All these different modes and intensity levels that you can use. Just really excellent product by Ducard. If you're looking for a very affordable but high quality electric toothbrush to replace just using your standard toothbrush, then you can't go wrong with this one. This is definitely a electric sonic toothbrush that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.